Hello and welcome. I'm thrilled to have you here today as I introduce something truly special. Imagine a machine that revolutionized an entire industry. Over a decade ago, the Protos-Neo did just that with our exclusive fluidized bed process. With over 1,000 machines in use worldwide, the numbers speak for themselves. We're thrilled to introduce its successor, the Protos-Neo, a modern marvel ready to redefine the future of production. The Protos-Neo belongs to our advanced line, an evolution of a proven machine platform, now equipped with state-of-the-art features and built for long-term durability. With a production capacity of 10,000 cigarettes per minute, it offers the perfect balance between performance and future security. Discover numerous enhancements designed to make your production even more efficient. Here are a few key innovations. Whether full flavor or light, a format change within half a shift gives you a new level of flexibility in production. The new VEO interface and improved accessibility make operation easier than ever. With integrated self-service features, issues can be detected and resolved faster, efficiently, and intuitively. The Protos-Neo is equipped with our high-end measurement systems, like closed-loop diameter control, for perfect results with every product. At no more than 85 decibels, the Protos-Neo creates a more comfortable working environment. And the best part, all format parts from the Protos-Neo remain compatible. No extra training, no new inventory. Transitioning has never been easier. Interested to learn more about the Protos-Neo? Get in touch with us. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and interest.